Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I talk all things related to low-carb diets like keto and carnivore. Today, we're talking speed, because let's face it, even the most committed carnivore doesn't always have time to slow cook ribs or smoke brisket. So, I'm going to show you 10 easy carnivore meals that take 10 minutes or less to make. No fancy ingredients, no prep headaches, just real food, fast. For the first meal, we've got ribeye and butter-seared steak. Start with a thin-cut ribeye, about 8 ounces. Season it with salt and sear it in 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius, for about 2 minutes per side. That's it. You've got a juicy, fatty, protein-packed meal that's ready faster than takeout. The prep time is 1 minute and cook time is 4 minutes. It's roughly 600 calories with 45 grams of protein and 45 grams of fat. Next up, we've got scrambled eggs and bacon. Toss 4 whisked eggs into a skillet while 3 slices of bacon crisp beside them. Cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, letting the bacon render its fat. That's your cooking oil right there. You're done in under 8 minutes, with 1 minute of prep. This meal comes in around 500 calories with 35 grams of protein and 40 grams of fat. Our third meal is a ground beef bowl. Brown up 8 ounces of ground beef in a skillet with a tablespoon of tallow or butter at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Season with salt and you're done. If you want it creamier, stir in 1 ounce of cream cheese or a slice of cheese. Prep time is 1 minute, cook time about 6. You'll get about 550 calories, 40 grams of protein, and 42 grams of fat. For meal number 4, we're keeping it ultra simple with sardines and hard-boiled eggs. Grab a tin of sardines packed in water, not oil, and 2 pre-boiled eggs. This is pure nutrition that requires no cooking at all. Just crack, peel, and eat. You're done in 1 minute flat. It's roughly 300 calories, 30 grams of protein, and 20 grams of fat. Meal 5 is a classic. Burger patties with melted cheese. Press down 8 ounces of ground beef into 2 thin patties. Season with salt and fry them in butter at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes per side. Top with 1 ounce of melted cheddar or provolone, and you've got a carnivore cheeseburger without the bun. Prep time is 2 minutes, cook time 6 minutes. This comes out to around 600 calories with 45 grams of protein and 45 grams of fat. Meal 6 features pan-seared chicken leg quarters, bone-in and skin-on. Heat your skillet to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Sear the chicken quarter for about 4 minutes, skin side down, then flip and cover for another 5 minutes to trap in heat. Total cook time is 9 minutes with a quick 1 minute prep. The result is crispy skin, juicy meat, and about 500 calories with 40 grams of protein and 35 grams of fat. For meal 7, let's do a tuna melt scramble. Drain 1 can of tuna and toss it into 3 scrambled eggs. Mix in 1 ounce of shredded cheese for richness. Cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes total. Prep time is 2 minutes, cook time 5. You'll get about 400 calories, 40 grams of protein, and 25 grams of fat. 8th meal is butter poached shrimp. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Toss in 6 ounces of raw shrimp and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they turn pink and firm. Sprinkle with a bit of salt, and you're done. Prep time is 2 minutes, cook time 4 minutes. This light, high-protein meal has around 300 calories, 35 grams of protein, and 18 grams of fat. For the 9th meal, we've got fried egg toppers with steak. Use 4 ounces of leftover ribeye steak, sliced thin. Heat your skillet to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Fry 2 eggs in butter for about 3 minutes and serve them over the steak. The yolks make a natural, rich sauce that's perfectly carnivore. 1 minute prep time, 5 minutes cook time. This meal has around 450 calories, 35 grams of protein, and 30 grams of fat. And for our final dish, the carnivore mug omelet with ground beef. Beat 3 eggs in a mug, add 2 ounces of cooked ground beef, 1 ounce of shredded cheese, and a tablespoon of bacon bits if desired. Microwave on high for 90 seconds. That's it. No mess, no cleanup. Prep time is 1 minute, cook time 90 seconds. You'll get about 400 calories, 30 grams of protein, and 30 grams of fat. And there you go, 10 carnivore meals in 10 minutes or less. Whether you're short on time, traveling, or just not in the mood to cook, these meals keep you on track without sacrificing flavor or simplicity. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe for more quick and practical carnivore tips, recipes, and deep dives into the science behind the diet. Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these meals you're going to try first. Or share your own go-to 10-minute carnivore meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.